Okay, you guys, what if I told you you can make real money on FeetFinder without selling a single pic? Not maybe money, real commission checks off a platform that's already printing numbers in 2026. And once you see how this payout works, I promise you, you're gonna realize this is one of the easiest passive plays in the entire niche. Before we get into today's topic, I really need you to understand something. FeetFinder is not just a tiny hustle app anymore. It's literally a full-blown market. Here are the updated 2026 platform numbers. There's over 12.5 million feet pics sold. That means the customers aren't just out and browsing. They're purchasing consistently. Over $100 million spent on the platform. Let me say that again, okay? Over $100 million has been moved through FeetFinder and over 8 million verified users. So the demand is massive and the audience is real. And more than 5,000 5-star reviews, which shows it's not just a big platform, it's truly trusted. So when we talk about FeetFinder, we're talking about one of the biggest proven niche marketplaces on the internet right now. So we've talked about FeetFinder Creative and all those things already, right? Like how FeetFinder works and how to sell pics online. But there's one thing that we've never talked about that can actually make you a lot of money on the platform itself, even if you never post a single picture of yourself on the platform. I'm talking about the FeetFinder affiliate program. FeetFinder basically says, if you bring us content creators, we'll pay you big time. Oh, and the commissions are honestly wild. 25% commission on all seller membership purchased in the first 6 months. And on top of that, 5% commission on all earnings generated from the model that you referred. So it's not just a one-time payout. It's a reoccurring passive income. Here is how simple it is. First, you got to sign up as an affiliate. Second, FeetFinder gives you a unique tracking link. And 3, you share your link already where you get attention, like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, honestly, anywhere. And 4, every sign up is tracked automatically through your link. Literally, that's it. No ads, no being a model. Just you send some traffic. Let me show you the exact example that FeetFinder gives. Let's say you promote on your socials and one of your followers, let's just say Sarah, she signs up. Sarah buys the basic yearly plan for $14.99. You earn $375 right away. Then let's say Sarah uploads her first album and makes 5 sales at $20 each. That's $100 earned. So FeetFinder takes their small little fee, Sarah keeps most of it, and you earn 5% of her earnings. So you get to pocket $5. Okay, so now here's where it gets a little crazy. If Sarah starts earning $1,000 a month from selling content, you earn $50 every single month just from her, while you literally do nothing and all you did was refer her one time. Now imagine you get 5 Sarahs. That means an extra $250 a month, or 10 Sarahs. That's an extra $500 a month. And that keeps on stacking forever as long as they keep earning. This affiliate program is super easy to promote because FeetFinder has already proof baked in. Like I said before, 12.5 million pics sold, 100 million spent, 8 million verified users, and over 5,000 5-star reviews. So literally, you're not asking people to trust something new. You're pointing them to the exact biggest market that this niche has to offer. FeetFinder even says it straight. High conversion platform means more clicks, means more commissions, means more money. This is perfect if you're already on FeetFinder or already selling pics or doing faceless side hustle content, if you're in a creator economy or an adult-friendly niche, or you got a kink-friendly crowd that maybe likes to make some profit, because you don't need new content strategy. Not with this one. You just keep making your normal videos. All you have to do is just add a little insert somewhere in your normal content where you say, hey, if you want the safest platform to start your thing, use my link. And there you go, instantly monetized. Okay guys, here's your next move. Sign up for FeetFinder affiliate program, get your unique link and put it in your bio, your pinned comments, your description boxes, your Reddit answers or comments, everywhere you already send traffic to. 25% on memberships and 5% on passive commission earnings and reoccurring income. All right, you guys, that's it for this one, but I can't wait to see you in the next. And if this helped, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.